So again, after a break, again we are come. We have come. Sorry, we have come. The topic is different. Topic is about formal education, informal education. So I wanna ask my friend Sadiq, which topic you want to be choose? Formal
Yeah,
education or informal education?
thank you giving me an
So we
opportunity
can
to
choose
discuss.
firstly.
Yeah,
Firstly.
firstly I want to choose formal education.
Okay. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much giving me chance to describe the about to formal education.
Yeah, exactly.
Formal education is a basic need for everyone
Yeah, thank you.
because if we are not educated, it is not good for. We can't live in environment without education.
Exactly.
Formal education, like as I want to tell about formal education. Formal education is this. We are studying first class to 12th class. It is a formal and also graduation. It is a formal education. If we are doing something in our education, and we will give more.
Okay.
We give more to our education, we will be achieve something in our life. So it is the formal education. If we are not giving anything to education, so you should try more. I want to tell about one explanation example to if you are not study in
Income is not good.
we should go
There is
there.
no
It
gate.
is a
There is
good
no gate.
place.
There is no gate. So we can come and outside and it's a bit time. So we can continue.
Yeah. One example, when we are not educated,
Yes.
so we will many people saying laborer. Uh, if we are doing more and more, uh, we are doing any type kinds of work like tailoring, hair styling, barber, and many types of work in the environment. So we are doing that work to survive in this environment.
So again, I have one question, Sadiq bhai. Is it necessary for a formal education? Yeah, no. In our country, India. Basically, we are living in India. So tell me about
Formal,
those who have no any kinds of sources to want to be learn any kinds of extra from his whole life. Just like we are saying
yeah,
about shared about 1 to 10th and graduation and
yeah.
post graduation. There are many courses are available in India. But those who have no more money, no more any sources. So what do you want to say about this?
Yeah, I want to tell about formal education from the abroad.
Yes.
If you have a lots of money, so you are spend lots of money. If you don't have a lots of money, so you should try in India.
Okay.
If you are trying more
Okay.
and you go to abroad for study,
Yes.
so it is good. But everyone not affordable this kinds of education
Okay.
because anyone don't have a lots of earning source
Yes.
and lots of money, so they avoid this kinds of education. They prefer only Indian education. India has a lots of university like Aligarh, AMU, Jamia. It is lots of university to take basic education from there.
Okay, thank you so much. Giving. So again, my turn is coming. Has come. So I choose the talk about the informal education. So basically, the formal, informal are like a part. Both are like friend, not be as like we can say. Informal education is like some demerit, some has not demerit. Firstly, I wanna be talk about the some demerit, some merit about the informal education. Yeah, of course, everyone has to teach any kinds of study school life. Just like 1 to 5, yeah, 6 to 8, according to the situation. Someone has good financial condition to have already 12th 12th school level, but those who have nothing, like no sources, on that time he takes any kinds of coaching coaching to build his education sector. The difference between the formal and informal. Formal is like a totally you have to regular attend class. You can your certificate from your university and like properly where we are studying. But informal education means like you are also studying but in outside. We are not be a regular. Suppose that we are a learner but I don't have any kinds of the financial condition, but also we wanna I also be wanna learn any kinds of the certificate. On that time I enroll the online like suppose that we are also be graduation doing a graduation from IGNU, from DUSOL, from Jamia Millia Islamia is a distance mode. So it's like also opportunity for a time not be regular attend to class and also we get certificate. On that time we are doing extra skill like someone is learning computer, someone is learning communication, someone is doing a lot things, someone is doing a mechanic sector, AI course. This is a benefit for us, for me and everyone, those who have no any kinds of sources for doing formal education, so we can take informal education. So one thing is also benefit from the informal education. You have learned any extra skill from your side on that same time, so it may be you can achieve a lot of things in the comparison of the formal education. Suppose that for example there are some famous personality like Sachin Tendulkar is has studied in formal education only for a 6th 7th class, not be in properly way, but he has